I just did a quick morning routine, made my bed, made some coffee, journaled for a little bit, sat on the couch and scrolled. But today is a full busy day. We are actually heading out for the weekend, so I have to basically pack, clean, organize. I'm going to show you guys everything I like to do before going out on a trip, even if it's just for a few days. But we are going to Connecticut and I wanted to leave the house clean. We finally got our laundry washer and dryer replaced, because for the last month and a half or two, our washer and dryer hasn't been working. I'm going to be working on some orders and then also showing you how I pack for the weekend, and also some beautiful dresses that I got from Express. Today's video is sponsored by Express. I handpicked some beautiful summer dresses that I am obsessed with. You guys know how much I love dresses, so I found some beautiful pics that I can't wait to show you guys. But without further ado, let's start and clean. The office is a hot mess, so that's the first thing I want to tackle. To be honest, I know that I cleaned it recently in one of my videos, but because I just launched Not the Label's summer launch, it's a hot mess. So, all right, this is reality. I have to do an unboxing as well before I head out. I also want to organize this like shelf unit situation. But yes, you guys, reality. I know, even this. I feel like guilty showing you now. On one of my previous videos, someone asked or like judged the fact that my bathroom and closet were a hot mess. And to be honest, like, not that it made me feel insecure or anything, because quite honestly, I could care less about negative comments, but it does make me second guess the things that I upload. And I always try to be super transparent, super realistic with just how my life actually is, because at the end of the day, I can just clean this room before turning on the camera and pretend that like everything is perfect. You know what I mean? So yes, things do get super messy. And yes, I do love to clean and organize, but I'm also a messy person at the same time. But anyways, I am going to still show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, and basically clean this room with you.
Outside my window is everything pale and cold. Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue.
Alright, so here is the office. A lot cleaner, I feel. I have the brushes that I have to clean today, and then I also kind of organize the table there as well as the vanity. I need to declutter my jewelry soon, but yeah, pretty clean. I also need to make a baby blanket today. Actually, I need to make two, pack it and ship it, so that's on my to-do list. And then this is the current state of the living room, which I need to clean. Like I mentioned, I have been working on a lot of Not the Label stuff, so basically this is my little knitting crochet corner. I sit here, put my blanket on, and then just watch TV and crochet. So I'm going to quickly organize this so that I can move on to the room.
Inside my room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven.
Alright, so like I mentioned, I wanted to show you guys a couple dresses that I got from Express. I'm currently wearing one, which I'm really excited about. But all of these are a must if you're going to weddings or if you need any casual, easy to dress up dresses for the summer and also for fall, because some of these colors are perfect for summer to fall, so you can get them now and still get used to it. But I'm going to quickly show you guys the styles that I got and how they fit. So let's get started. But starting with this one, you guys know that I am getting all the white dresses for my wedding wardrobe. Our wedding is a destination wedding, so I think this is just such a perfect dress to wear around the hotel during those days or week that we're going to be there. And even for the bachelorette, like just a casual brunch, lunch dress, I think this is so cute. I had to get it. It's just so girly. I got it in a size extra small. I feel like a small would have been better, but I love it. Next, we have this stunning, easy to throw on dress. I think these types of dresses are just perfect to dress up, dress down. You can also even wear it for a summer wedding. I love the high-low detail that it has. I also think it's just really flattering. If I'm not mistaken, I have this dress in pink as well. So definitely check it out. They come in different colors, but I love the style and fit of this one. Next up is this stunning dress. I think it's perfect for any weddings coming up or just super easy to dress up as well. I love the back detail. I think the color is perfect for that summer to fall transition. And yeah, the color and material is absolutely stunning. Next up is this stunning copper dress, kind of similar color. I have this thing where once I shop, I literally get every dress the same color. But this one ties really nicely here if you want. You can also wear it without the belt. I love, love, love the material and fit of this dress. Like, it's insane. It has a slit here as well, and it's pretty long. I mean, if I was shorter, it would fit floor length, but for me, it fits like a little cropped, which I love that look still. And I also love the material. Like, it's a stunning, shimmery copper look. I think this dress also comes in black, so I'm going to link it down below, but absolutely love. Next dress is this stunning metallic dress. It's like a white silver dress. I love the little cinched waist. I also love the top detail, and the pleated material or pattern is one of my favorites at the moment. But this is just such an elegant dress. It's not all the way long, as you can see, but I just really, really love it. And I think it's perfect for my wedding wardrobe again. All right, up next is this stunning satin dress. You guys already know how much I love satin dress, especially from Express. I feel like their satin dresses are so flattering, so well done, and the material is just absolutely perfect. I think this is perfect for a cocktail party or even a summer wedding, like I mentioned. Just so, so pretty. Next is a more casual dress. These are easy to throw on for a casual look, or even if you want to dress it up in the summer for like a brunch or something. I would wear it with some strappy heels, but I love the fit of this dress. If I'm not mistaken, it's from their body contour collection. I love the ruching here that it has. You can like cinch it up with the little string, but overall the fit is so, so beautiful, and I think it comes in different colors. All right, so I have 3 tops to show you guys. I'm currently wearing jeans, so it probably doesn't look the best, but I love this body contour top. I love their body contour collection just because it truly snatches the body, and the material is so stretchy and soft, but like fitted at the same time. I love the black and white contrast, the little braided detail right here. Super, super pretty. Next, I got this orange crop top, one shoulder. Absolutely love the little like ruching feel to it. Fits really nice as well. And yeah, overall, I'm obsessed with this bright color. I think it comes in pink and white as well. Now these you guys have 100% seen me wear, so I'm not going to show you them on, but it's from their body contour collection. It's just a white bodysuit, and then this one is just a regular cami top. These, again, I think they were on sale when I got them, but these are 100% worth it if you want basics in your closet that you will keep forever and use forever, and that are great quality. And then last but not least, oh no, I actually have one more thing to show you that I forgot, but my heels. I got a pair of heels. I love heels from Express. These are my favorite tone. I feel like they make just the best heels. I also love the kitten heel, the 2-strap, just very comfortable and casual. And then lastly, I got this gold belt, but I feel like I should have showed you me wearing it with a dress, but super pretty to add to any outfits this summer. But yeah, that was pretty much my quick summer dresses haul from Express. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to be linking everything down below. Let me know which one was your favorite dress, because I cannot decide. And I'm also going to start packing now and probably bringing a couple of those dresses. I'm going to show you exactly how I like to pack. Probably not every single outfit, but I'm just going to do a little time lapse so you guys can see.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And who was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
Alright, I just finished packing. I'm now going to quickly wash my brushes. I won't be able to take them, obviously, because they're going to take forever to dry, but at least I can leave them already clean and I can put them away when I come back. So to clean my brushes, I wanted to show you what I use. I've been using the Dr. Bronner's soap for years and years. This, I believe, is the scent-free one. Oh no, the baby unscented, yeah, so scent-free one. I used to also love the lavender, but they didn't have it when I went. So I basically take a big bowl, give me a second. So I take a big bowl like this and fill it up with lukewarm water, not too cold, not too warm. And then I mix in the soap, a pretty good amount to be honest. I also have this soap from Real Techniques that I might use. So let me just fill that up. So I'm going to be using this soap that I got from Real Techniques. Just pour a good amount, like I mentioned. And then I like using one of these rubber handle things, which I'll link down below for you guys. It's really dirty, but it truly does the job because it has like little rouging. It's not dirty, it's just stained from makeup. So yeah, let's clean it. All done cleaning my brushes. There's seriously no better feeling. I feel like I need to get new sponges though, because a lot of these are so messed up, but glad I did it. All right, so Eric is currently on his way home, but I want to finish some orders before I start getting ready to head out to Connecticut. That way we can ship them out before the weekend. done crocheting. I'm now going to start getting ready and doing my makeup. And the way that I like to pack my makeup or toiletries is basically by doing my makeup and then packing it as I do everything, if that makes sense. That way I don't forget any steps, because I usually always forget like the most important step in my makeup bag to go. So sunscreen, concealer, foundation, brow stuff. I'm gonna bring like a liquid blush, regular highlight, regular blush, translucent powder, bronzer. Lip stuff I leave at the end, but that's, I think, pretty much it. And I'm gonna bring this. I also have this liquid liner, and I like bringing like a miniature bronzer. So I'm going to plop everything in here as I do my steps. Quick everyday makeup is done, and I also have here my makeup. This is all of the makeup that I'm bringing, and I still have space technically to put like other moisturizers, cleansers, and stuff like that in here as well, since it's a pretty big bag. Alright, so I'm all ready. Makeup and hair all packed. I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I'm going to link everything down below, so make sure to check it out. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!